Hello Excel enthusiast, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to merge text from multiple cells into one single cell in Excel. This is a fantastic skill for cleaning up your data and making your spreadsheets look neat and professional. So let's get started. But before that, if you are really interested in learning Microsoft Office, then we have an amazing workshop with only rupees 9 and link is in description.
Working professionals, are you using Excel, Power BI, PowerPoint or Word in your day-to-day life? What if I tell you that you're wasting 95% of your time while you're doing so? How so, you will be asking me? Because you're not using ChatGPT and AI tools while doing all of these work.
First thing, open up your Excel workbook where you have the data you need to merge. And if you don't have one ready, just open a new workbook to practice as we go along. Let's start with the simplest method to merge text by using the and symbol. Click on the cell where you want your merge text to appear. Let's say you want to combine someone's first name from cell A1 and last name from cell B1. Simply type the following formula. This formula merges the two text with the space in between. Press enter and see the magic happens. Next, we have the concate function. But before that, you all know AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, million of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. And if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 2 hours Microsoft workshop in which we will teach you about how to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Now, let's get back to our tutorial, which is just as a simple but a bit more formal. In your target cell, type the following formula. This does exactly the same as the ampersand method, but it's easier when dealing with multiple cells. Hit enter and you will see the result right away. Now, we will try this formula on data range by combining multiple cells. Let's say you have first name in column A, last name in column B, and their date of birth in column C. You want to create a unique email ID for all of them in column E by combining their first name, last name, and date of birth. You can do this by entering the following formula of concate in column E is equal to concate, bracket open, in text 1, select first name from column A, comma, in text 2, select last name from column B, comma, in text 3, select their date of birth in column C. In text 4, type @gmail.com between the double inverted commas. Then close the bracket and press enter. You will get the unique email ID and then drag the formula across the rows to get email ID for everyone. For those of you using Excel 2016 or newer version, you can use the concate function which replaces concate. The syntax is similar. It's particularly useful for longer ranges and simplifies your formulas significantly. And there you have it. Multiple ways to merge text in Excel. From basic to advanced, practice these techniques to see which one fits your need best. Merging text can help you streamline data presentation and make your spreadsheet super efficient. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Have any questions or other Excel features you want us to cover? Drop a comment below. This was Ushma signing off until next time.